All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview. This is for February 13th, 2023 to February 17th, 2023. So my office hours this week are Monday, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. and Friday, 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. It's quarter three, week four. On Monday, we'll talk about the second New Deal, explain the criticism of FDR's New Deal policies with the key terms WPA and Social Security. On Tuesday, we'll identify other deals and programs of the second New Deal with the CYU problems and solutions the second New Deal. Wednesday, we will recognize the legacy of the New Deal with the lesson legacy of the New Deal. Thursday, we will discuss how the New Deal impacted different groups of Americans with the Achieve 3000 article you have, A Fairer New Deal. If you need help with that, please let me know. And then Friday, we will analyze if the New Deal was a success or failure in terms of its goals with the project there, the CNN Student News Summary. Hope you have a great week. Please let me know of any questions or concerns.